Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your RAM key fob. These can either take a 2450 or a 2032, so make sure you open yours up and check before you buy the replacement battery. But I've put links to both in the description below. You're also going to need a small flat tip screwdriver. It doesn't need to be this small, but realistically the smaller it is, the better. So you want to press this button on the side here and pull your mechanical key out. Now you can take your small screwdriver and insert it kind of right here. On either side, really doesn't matter. And you just want to work the cover up, just like that. And now if you have a small screwdriver, it's just easy to put it right in just like that and remove your dead battery. Make sure you replace with the positive side facing upward. Clip this back in just like that. Put your key in here and make sure you got your red light blinking right there and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.